Welcome back to Chi-Chi's Igbo Language Services. In this video, I will briefly discuss the tertiary colors, translate other known colors into Igbo, spell them, and then discuss the Igbo words of the day. Also, I will replace the word color with its Igbo translation, ocha. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell. The tertiary colors are the combination of primary and secondary colors due to their compound nature. However, in Igbo culture, the concept of tertiary colors is mostly unknown. Therefore, Igbo words for tertiary colors do not exist. Usually, the Igbo words to visualize tertiary colors depend on the individual seeing the color as well as whatever secondary color the viewer believes the tertiary color leans towards. For example, for a tertiary color blue-green, if one individual sees blue-green color as blue, then the blue-green color is blue to that individual. If another individual sees the blue-green color as green, then the blue-green color is viewed as green to that particular individual. We'll discuss this more in the next video. Now, let's look at the other colors. Let's look at brown, an ocha known as aja in Igbo. Let us spell it. A-J-A space A-J-A. Aja. Another translation for brown in Igbo is uri. Let's spell it. U-re-e. Uri. Another translation is nchara. Let's spell it. Ne-che-a-re-a. Nchara. Interestingly, nchara also means rust or corrosion in Igbo. Next, let's look at the ocha white, also known as ocha. Let's spell it. O-che-a, ocha. The Igbo word for the ocha black is oji. Let's spell it. O-J-A, oji. It can also be spelled oji with two I's in the end. Let's spell that. O-J-A-A, oji. Next, let's look at the ocha pink, also known as pinke. Let's spell it. P-E-N-K-E, pink. Mix red and white and you will get pink. Gwakọta uhie na ọcha iwete pink. Another Igbo translation for pink is uhie ọcha, which literally means red-white. Let's spell it. U-he-e-e space O-che-a, uhie ọcha. Another Igbo translation, which is less common, is ire. Let's spell it. E-re-e space E-re-e, ire. And now the ocha for gray. The Igbo word for this ocha is nto. Let's spell it. Ne-te-o, nto. Mix white and black together and you will get gray. Gwakọta ọcha na ojii iwete nto. The last two ọcha that we will discuss are silver and gold. Igbo word for silver is ọla ọcha. The Igbo word for gold is ọlaedo. Let's spell them. O-le-a space O-che-a. Ọla ọcha for silver. Na. O-le-a space E-de-o. Ọlaedo for gold. The Igbo word ọla means jewel or jewelry. Ọla ọcha literally means white jewelry. Ọlaedo literally means yellow jewelry. And now, the Igbo words of the day. Ọla, which is jewel or jewelry. Gwakọta, which is mix or to mix. Na, which means and. Can you spell these Igbo words in Igbo language? Try it out. Try it out with your friends, okay? Time to test your Igbo skills. The colors are on the left side and your multiple Igbo translations are on the right side. Can you connect the English words of the colors to your Igbo translations? Try it out and feel free to put your answers in the comments below. Thank you for watching, everyone. I will see you next time.